Hello guys, and welcome back to Ready Set Viral. Today we're going to be talking about the best DIY squishy ideas that you can do at your own home. But before we start, I want you to hit that red subscribe button as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss out on a future video from us. This first idea is pretty simple. Firstly, get a dish sponge. You can find one anywhere. Remove that harsh layer so it's just the nice squishy part, and cut the sponge in half and glue the two pieces together. Then use some scissors to turn it into a cylinder, and then you can use paint to make it something really amazing, like a marshmallow or something. Once you're done with the painting, that is it. It's really simple and you can do it without any special ingredients. You can find all of these inside of your house. But if not, I'm sure there's a dollar store around you. After all, dish sponges are everywhere. Something else that we have for you is that you can also turn your phone, or your child's phone, into a squishy popit. How can you do this? It's quite simple. You'll need a square-shaped popit and cut the shape of your phone into it. While it might sound a little silly, it's actually amazing, so you want to check it out. Of course, you can even just turn half of your phone into a popit, not your entire phone case, but it's all up to you. This next one is truly insane. So make sure to listen carefully. Firstly, you need to draw 2 circles on a piece of paper and turn it into a sheep, or whatever animal you want. Then cut out the circles and glue them together using adhesive tape. Remember to leave a small space between those circles without any tape. Then fill it with something soft and you are done. All you have to do is put the final piece of tape to close the opening. Isn't that so super simple? This next one is a little simpler. Firstly, you need a Ziploc bag. Once you have it, put some stuffing inside of it and use double-sided tape and wrap it around the bag. Then you can paint it, but make sure to paint it a few times. You can then decorate it however you want, it's all up to you. You can create some amazing designs using this, and it's really worth giving it a shot. It's also very cheap, as you can find most of these materials around your house. This next one we're going to be talking about is how to make some squishies that look just like a piece of toast. It's actually insane. First, all you're going to need to do is grab some paper and draw the shape of a bread slice onto it. Once you're done, fold the paper in half so that the bottom of the bread is at the edge of the paper. So, once you actually cut it, you're cutting into 2 pieces of paper, and when you take it out, it should look like this. Make sure to decorate both sides before you move on to the next step. Make sure to tape around all of the edges of the piece of bread so that it has a 3D structure. Then get a plastic bag, cut it all up, and stuff it with your squishy. All you have to do is leave an opening for that. Then tape the final part where the opening was, and voila! We did a bread slice, but you can do any design you can think of. Pretty cool, right? But that's all we have for you guys today. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, be sure to hit the like and subscribe button, as well as turning your post notifications on so you never miss out on a future video from us. Also, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen, because you'll love them too, and we'll see you guys next time in a brand new video. Bye now!